There are two key readings for week 2. So when you go into the module 2 content and scroll down to week 2, you'll see that there's a new section in here called literature. So this is the literature for week 2. And whilst this isn't the only literature that I want you to read over the course of the week, these are the two key texts which are going to help with our thinking in terms of our engagement with country and the development of assignment 1 and assignment number 2. So these two readings, first of all, we have got this one here, which is Learning with Place as a Catalyst for Action by Ham et al. And our second one is Indefinite Terrains, Field Working as Making With by Polly Stanton. And these texts are both connected to the ways in which we enter into and come alongside country. So you would have begun to be familiar with this concept of coming alongside, and both of these texts enabled you to unpack that concept further. The Ham text very explicitly refers to the concept of coming alongside, and the Polly Stanton text is a little bit more abstract, but is still very much in keeping with this idea of how we tread lightly upon country and how we represent and document our embodied experiences of being on country. Remembering that all of the work that we do in the lead up to assignment number 2 is about us as learners. So it's an andragogical approach to learning. We need to develop the knowledges and confidence to engage with and learn from country before we can properly and authentically switch on the curriculum to design learning adventures for children, which we do in the pedagogical walking trail in assignment number 3. So as you read through these two texts, or as you listen to the podcast, so if you prefer to listen to a podcast, you can click on the microphone icon. Each podcast is about 15 to 17 minutes long. It gives you, read through these texts, and as I said, it's about that alongsideness, coming alongside, and the importance of not appropriating indigenous knowledges. Just to let you know about these podcasts, so I use AI to generate them. I then listen to the podcast to ensure that the content of it is authentic and in keeping with the chosen texts.